Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from Anywash and I'm back with another unboxing or unbagging. So we have a DHL bag here. I know what is inside this package. Thank you very much Ivan and Judy from Vario Singapore for providing me these stuffs in for review, right? So I've been working with Ivan and Judy from Vario for quite some time now, for 2 or 3 years already, and they have been kind enough for sending quite a lot of straps and watch accessories for me to review and show to you guys, right? So let's dig into what is inside the package. Okay, the package is just too big. Maybe should be a bit more careful not to hit the camera. Okay, so we have another plastic bag here. Let's use this knife again. Don't really want to damage any of the products that is inside the plastic bag. Alright, so okay, so we have quite a lot of foams here. Let's see what do we have inside here. So yeah, very nice packaging. Thank you very much Judy for sending me this. What do we have inside? Oh my god. Right, so okay, so there's nothing inside there. Let's take it off. We have a watch pouch here. I know what's inside this, but yeah, let's take a look at other things first. So let's take out the plastic, this foam thing here. What do we have? Oh, nice. Right, you know what? Let's just tear it off. Whoa! Wow, that is the... What is this? Okay. So I know what is inside. Okay, so first up is the outer one. Okay, so let's put it back there. So this is a watch pouch. I think Ivan told me that it comes with from Belarus, I think. So this is a handmade watch pouch. So you can see that we have 4 pouch here. So this one is nicely signed Vario here, and we have this cover so that you can just put it under your under the case back of your watch, so that the bracelet won't scratch the your watch, right? So we have a watch pouch for watch here, and you can just put your watch in there. You know what, let's just quickly do a little bit of demonstration, right? So you can just put it like so, one, you can just put another one like that, and you can put another one like so. Boom, you've got yourself a 4. You know what, let's just put it back there, right? So 4 watch pouch, and put it like so and roll it, right? So you know what, yeah, I'm gonna do this later, but still very nice pouch, right? So we have this tag here. I will do a full review of this thing soon, but you know what, I've done a review for this one. You know what, I just I've asked Evan to get this one for me, so that I wanted to try another colors. Yeah, I've had the dark brown color. I think they call this saddle or cinnamon, I can't remember, but yeah, still, of course, we will do a full review of this thing later. But yeah, let's take this one back out of the frame first, right? So the next one is, we'll go to that later on. Okay, we have a huge what do we call this, strap pouch or strap, what do we call this? I can't remember. Okay, so this is a strap pouch. Alright, so wow, that is just nice, right? Check that out, guys, check that out. So basically what you can do is you can put your straps here, and you can put it another set here, so 1 and 2. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so technically you can just put it like so, and you could put another piece up here, right? Maybe, I don't know, maybe it can fit, maybe it won't. Just like that. That's nice. And okay, that's nice. Okay, so after that you can just fold this bit, I think, and just okay, so I think we should roll from this side. like that. That is very nice. Wow, this is nice, man. Thank you, man. Thank you, Ivan, for providing me this strap roll for free, of course. Thank you very much. Of course, I put the sponsored page or sponsored icon in my video description. Oh, is it the other way around? Oh, hold on. Yeah, I think this is how we should fold it, but of course we will do a little bit. We will do a full review of this watch strap pouch. Oh, I'm totally wrong. Basically, you could put three, right? So you see there's another pocket here. So 1, 2, and 3 layers. Wow. I I didn't really I didn't really know how big or how small is this thing when I saw it in the pictures, but wow, this is huge, man. Totally a great solution for for someone who have tons of straps like me. Right, so let's get these straps out first. Okay, let's take that off the frame first. Okay, so I've got a lot of stuff here. Right, so we have a Vario keychain. Nice, thank you very much. We have a Vario strap. I think they call this crazy horse leather. Okay, so I don't really remember the colorway of this. I think this is a dark blue, maybe. This is a cinnamon. Maybe this is the brown, right? So, and this is the I can't remember. Of course, we will get through the in the full of the colorways in the full review, and let's check out what is inside the pouch. Right, so 3, 2, 1, boom! Let's go. Yes, we've got ourselves a Bund strap. Nicely done there. This is, I think this is an 18mm, so very nice Bund strap to be paired with a, of course, the Vario Trench watch. Yeah, that is really nice. So this is, I think they are still, that's very nice. Okay, so this is the Vario Trench watch that they have released somewhere, I think last year, and it got funded in Kickstarter and also on Indiegogo. This is supposed to be 38mm, but you know what? Let's give it a quick dimension check. So where is let's fire up my calipers here, right? Okay, so we have tons of stuff to review here, guys, so bear with me. Right, so a quick dimension check. So this is about 37mm in diameter, so very nice. A lug to lug. Okay, lug to lug is quite tricky because this one is using a wired lug, so during the full review I will take off the screw and show you guys how it looks. But yeah, let's just measure from here to here then, right? So that is about 43mm from lug to lug, and a thickness, so you have to take off this bund 11.7. very nicely done there. Right, so I think the movement that it's used inside this watch is was it a Miyota or was it a Seiko? I can't remember, so I'm so sorry, man. I will definitely check it out. Oh, we have a screw down crown here, right? So wow, that is just nice. It pops out very nice, popping out. The crown pops out very nicely, and yeah, that is really cool, right? So at the back we have that, my forever hero. Wow, okay, now I remember. They have a you can customize your case back should you buy or purchase this watch from Ivan. So I can't really remember whether this is cost extra or anything. So we have Singapore 10 ATM stainless steel, 1918. Maybe that is the World War One date. I can't remember. Of course, we will do a full review and I will get all those information in the full review, right? So hand winding, it features a hand winding movement, so I will of course check whether this is Seiko or a Miyota movement later on. And it hacks, so I think this might be a Seiko. I can't remember which version, NH something. Yep. We will check that out later on. And let's check out the screw action. Very, very nice. And I think this has a loom, right? So you know what, let's do a quick loom shot. Okay, so I found my UV lamp, and let's see whether this, yeah, the indices is in orange, right? So it might, the loom might not be as strong, but you know what, let's just check it out, right? So let's just turn the lights off. Okay, that is quite nice. I thought that it's going to be bad because it's in, you know, it's in orange loom, right? So, but this is cool. Check out that cathedral hands, right? So yeah, shame that the second hands doesn't have any looms whatsoever. Yeah, but still, this is a military watch, so you don't really need that much of loom on the second hands, I suppose, right? So there you have it, guys. So this is chock-a-block full of things on my table, tons of straps to reviews here. So thank you very much, Ivan and Judy, for sending me out these straps. And yeah, I would definitely give a full thorough review of these awesome products in maybe in the whole you know, I have a whole month to review this product. So yeah, thank you very much again. And if you guys want to get any watch or products from Vario, they are now having a year-end sales. So that is about, I think, from October up until end of December. So please do check them out. And thank you very much for watching. If you guys like this style of video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see or you want to ask anything about Vario products, so please do let me know in the comment section below. So until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe. Bye bye.